What's good, people? Welcome to Flex Finance. My name is Daniel. I'm here to help you guys save money and make money. Today I'm going over the basics of swing trading. So this video is made for beginners, so I'm not going to go over anything too advanced, anything like chart reading or anything like that. It's going to be the real basics for people to start getting into swing trading. Before I start, I just want to make sure that you guys understand, if you guys buy a stock and sell it in that same day, that is a day trade. Swing trades are when you buy a stock and you sell it maybe the next day, maybe the next week, the next month, the next year even. So I just want to get that cleared up. So the easiest way to explain swing trading is stocks are volatile, which means they go up and down. So if you can imagine, they go up, they go down, they go up, they go down. What you want to do is wait for it to go down, buy it when it's here. When it goes up, you want to sell it here. Now, it's easier said than done, but I think I can help you guys get better at it and make sure you guys make a good amount of money for it. So just for example, so you guys can get a better understanding of it, here I have Apple. And as you guys can see, it goes up, down, you know, and it does that continuously. You guys look, it does it forever and ever. So this is just, I love trading this way. I think it makes a lot of sense to me, and I think for a lot of beginners, this will make sense for most people. So guys, as you can see right here, it dipped to $373.01. Now, if you bought one share of Apple here and you sold it here at $380.16, you guys would have made $6.99 in profit. So almost $7 in profit for holding it for July 28th to 29th. One day, you guys would have made $7. So if you guys bought 100 shares of Apple right here and sold the 100 shares right here, you guys would have made almost $700. And you guys could have waited longer and you guys could have made even more money. But with swing trades, it's not usually as simple as this. It's more like this when it goes up and down, and down, and it keeps doing that. It doesn't really go up like this. This was an extreme dip, but so I hope you guys understand that and get a better understanding of what's going on. Just because I showed you Apple doesn't mean it's only Apple. It works with any stock, any price. I actually like to swing penny stocks and small caps, so I usually buy a lot cheaper stocks and do it that way. So I have a whole video on tips and tricks on swing trading. I highly recommend you guys watch that. But basically, what I do for swing trading is, once I find a swing trade, I use the 40-30-30 method, which means I'm investing 40% of what I intend to invest as a whole in that moment, and then I invest the other 30% and the other 30% later dates. For more information on that, watch the video. I'm not going to go over that right now, but that's one way to protect yourselves against swing trades falling in value beyond what you bought in at. So that's it for my basics on swing trading. I hope I was able to explain it in the basic way for you guys to understand. I would highly recommend, again, watching the video on my tips and tricks, because that will help you guys on your swing trading journey a lot. Leave a like, subscribe, and we'll see you guys soon.